Okay, so I posted this really cool video on my Facebook of a new way of cutting some curtain bangs. So I figured, why not try it out and make a video? So I'll walk you through it. Mind my hair, I air dried it today so it's curly underneath and flat on top. Now, first of all, we're going to take our tail comb and we're going to, I'd say about an inch back. If you want more, you can always go back more. I'm going to start with this, and if I want to make them thicker, I will. And let's try and line that up. Now, I have some old curtain bangs here, as you guys can probably see. Let's pull that back. I was reading the comments, and all these hairdressers, because it was on a hairdresser's page, all these stylists were like running out and like trying it themselves. So I'm just going to wet this down because it's pretty dry. And I want to make sure I get it even. Okay, so they split it right in the middle, according to the video. And they take the first one, let's just make sure we pull that tight, and pull it this way, and then they take the other one and cross it this way. All right, here goes nothing. If I hate these bangs, well, they'll grow out. I've got my hair scissors. You can use whatever you have that is sharp. Make sure it's sharp. Okay, now you're going to pull it tight. Okay, so this looks funny. So you're going to pull it tight like that. And I'm going to do right along my jawline, like that, and cut it at an angle. And then you want to cut this one at an angle the other way at the jawline. Now, let's just make sure I have this. If I could see, that would help. I'm going to make sure that this is angled. Okay. Dum dum dum. Okay. Not bad. Okay, so it actually works really good, as you can see. I might need to do a little tweaking because it's not completely. I just want to thin out the ends a little bit. Now you can always do it a little bit thicker. Go in and I'm just point cutting, taking some of the bulk out of the ends of it because I can't stand when it's really thick at the bottom. Look at that. You get a perfect angled curtain bang. Wow. Wonders never cease. Okay, so I'm going to go up and blow dry this, and then I will come back and show you guys the end result. Okay, so I did blow dry them. I think if you went shorter, it would be more noticeable. But you can see, because I only did to my jawline, you can see, I had to do a little bit of blending. I might have to do a little bit more. As you can see right in here, I've got, blend that in a little bit better. And then this side, of course, goes all nice like this. And this side, not so much. But it works. It works exactly like they showed. And like I said, I guess if I was braver and went like to here or here even, and angled them this way, it would probably be more defined, but I'm digging it. I love it. And I can't wait to try it on an actual client. Anyway, so there you have it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And you should be able to do it at home if you really want to. Glad it turned out.